Do you have a broken garage door? Broken springs? Door off track? Where do you go when you need garage door help now? For help, call us. Indiana Garage Door Repair, 317-645-0397. We offer emergency service in the Indianapolis and surrounding areas. We repair, replace, and install garage door, springs, openers, cables, tracks and rollers, and garage doors. At Indiana Garage Door Repair, you will find reliable, professional garage door repair specialists serving in business for over 20 years, highly recommended by our clients. We use quality, name brand products from the leaders in the garage supply business. You will receive professional, quality, speedy service. Our work is affordable and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Indiana Garage Door Repair provides services in Indianapolis, Avon, Broad Ripple, Brownsburg, Carmel, Fishers, Meridian Kessler, Whitestown, and Zionsville's areas. Call us today. Call 317-645-0397. That's 317-645-0397.